So what do you do when you come home tired and you just want to wash your face and get rid of all the makeup and dirt and gunk that's been sitting on your face all day long, and you realize that you're out of makeup remover? Well, the answer is simple. Instead of going out to the market, you make one. This makeup remover is ready in no time. So let's start. We'll take a jar or any bottle that we have lying around, and we are going to put a 1/4 cup of water to it. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of rose water. Then to that we are going to add a mild soap. So it could be anything, like you could use a baby wash or a baby shampoo or even an intimate wash. Then to this we will add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can add coconut oil or olive oil or even baby oil, whichever you like and have laying around. Now if you suffer from acne, you could add a few drops of tea tree oil, or if you have a sensitive skin, then you can add lavender essential oil to it. You can put any essential oil of your choice. Now we are going to give this mix a nice shake. We are going to soak our cotton balls in this mix, and your instant makeup remover is ready in no time. This was pretty quick, right? I know. This works at par with any micellar makeup remover that we get in the market. The best part is that we can refrigerate this mix, and whenever we have to use it, it gives such a nice cooling and refreshing feeling to our tired skin. It's gentle yet effective in removing any sort of makeup, and as you can see, my hand has all sorts of makeup drawn on it, from lipstick to a concealer to even a highlighter and a waterproof kajal. I take one of this cotton round and clean my hand with it, and in no time all the makeup is gone from my hand. And the best part, it didn't even strip away the natural oil of my skin, because we've put oil into this mix. It's very moisturizing also, and a very comfortable formula. Let it sit on the makeup for a few seconds and wipe clean. You can even use this makeup remover if you do not have any makeup on and just want to give an extra clean to your face by wiping it onto your face. You'll be amazed at the amount of dirt and oil that's been sitting on your face, which a face wash doesn't always help you get rid of. Do try this little DIY and have a great day. Hope you like this little DIY video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button to show your support and become a part of my YouTube family. Thank you. Bye.